Welcome to English Learning Pathshala. Hello, everyone. In this video, you will listen to a real-life conversation between a shopkeeper and a customer. This conversation is based on daily life English that we use while shopping, asking for items, making payments, and speaking politely. Do not worry about grammar or mistakes. Just listen carefully, observe the sentences, and repeat after us. This practice will help you improve your confidence, vocabulary, and speaking skills in English. Let's start the conversation. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to my shop. How can I help you today?
I am just looking around.
Sure. Please take your time.
This shop looks nice and clean.
Thank you. We try to keep everything organized.
What items do you sell here?
We sell daily use items like groceries, snacks, toiletries, and household products.
Okay, I want to buy some things for my home.
No problem. Please tell me what you need.
First, I need rice and wheat flour.
How much rice do you want?
I want 5 kilograms of rice.
Sure. Which rice do you prefer?
I want good quality rice for daily use.
This one is very popular. It is soft and tasty.
Okay, please give me this one.
And how much wheat flour do you need?
I need 10 kilograms.
Fine. Do you want loose flour or packed flour?
Loose flour is fine.
Okay, I will pack it for you.
I also need cooking oil.
Which oil do you use?
I usually use sunflower oil.
We have 1 liter and 5 liter packs.
Give me a 5-liter pack.
All right.
Can you show me some snacks?
Yes, of course. Snacks are on that shelf.
I want something for evening tea.
These biscuits are very good with tea.
Yes, I like them. Give me 2 packets.
Anything else?
I also want tea powder.
Which brand do you prefer?
I want strong tea.
This brand is strong and aromatic.
Okay, give me this one. Do you have sugar?
Yes, we do.
Give me 2 kilograms of sugar.
Sure.
I also need toothpaste and soap.
Toothpaste is on the right side.
Which toothpaste is good for sensitive teeth?
This one is good for sensitive teeth.
Okay, I will take this.
And which soap do you want?
I want a mild soap for daily use.
This soap is gentle on skin.
Fine, give me 2 bars. Do you have shampoo?
Yes, small and big bottles are available.
I want a medium-sized bottle.
All right.
How much is the total bill?
Let me calculate it.
Okay.
Your total bill is 850 rupees.
Can you give me a small discount?
I can give you a 20 rupee discount.
Thank you. That is kind of you.
How would you like to pay?
I will pay by UPI.
Sure, please scan the code.
Payment is done.
Yes, I have received it. Thank you.
Can you give me a carry bag?
Yes, I will give you a carry bag.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Please make sure everything is packed properly.
Yes, I will pack all items carefully.
The rice bag feels a little heavy.
Yes, it is 5 kilograms as you asked.
Okay, that's fine. Do you sell fresh vegetables also?
Yes, we sell fresh vegetables in the morning.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You can come early tomorrow.
I will try to come.
We get fresh potatoes, onions, and tomatoes daily.
That's good to know. Do you also keep dairy products?
Yes, milk, curd, butter, and paneer are available.
Great. I will buy milk tomorrow. Your shop has almost everything.
Thank you. We try to meet customers' needs.
What time do you open the shop?
We open at 7 in the morning.
And what time do you close?
We close at 10 at night.
That is very convenient.
Yes, many customers like this timing.
Do you offer home delivery?
Yes, for nearby areas.
That's helpful. How can I order?
You can call us or send a message on WhatsApp.
Okay, I will save your number.
Sure.
Please check if all items are included.
Yes, rice, wheat flour, oil, snacks, tea, sugar, soap, toothpaste, and shampoo all are there.
Perfect. Thank you for being so polite.
It's my pleasure.
I like shopping here.
We are happy to hear that.
I will recommend your shop to my neighbors.
Thank you so much.
See you again soon.
Yes, please visit again.
Have a good day.
You too.
Actually, I remembered one more thing.
Yes, please tell me.
I forgot to buy salt.
No problem. How much salt do you need?
1 kilogram is enough.
Okay, I will add it.
Also, do you have spices?
Yes, we have all basic spices.
I need turmeric and red chili powder.
How much do you want?
200 grams each.
Sure.
Are these spices fresh?
Yes, we grind them regularly.
That's nice. My family prefers homemade food.
That's good for health.
Do you sell pulses also?
Yes, we sell different types of pulses.
I need lentils for daily cooking.
This lentil is very good and cooks fast.
Okay, give me 1 kilogram. Can you suggest something healthy for breakfast?
You can try oats or cornflakes.
Which one is better?
Oats are healthier.
Then give me oats. I want to check the expiration date.
Yes, please check. Everything is fresh.
It looks fine. Sometimes shops sell old items.
We always sell fresh products.
That's why I like your shop.
Thank you for trusting us.
How long have you been running this shop?
It has been 10 years.
That's a long time.
Yes, I have many regular customers.
Running a shop must be tiring.
Yes, but talking to customers makes it enjoyable.
Do you manage everything alone?
My family helps me sometimes.
That's good. Family support is important.
Yes, it really helps.
Please update the total bill now.
Okay, let me calculate again.
Take your time.
Your updated total is 920 rupees.
Okay, that's fine. I will pay the remaining amount.
Sure.
Payment is done.
Yes, I received it.
Please give me the receipt.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I will come again next week.
We will be happy to see you again.
Oh, one more thing came to my mind.
Yes, please tell me.
Do you have fresh vegetables today?
Yes, fresh vegetables arrived this morning.
That's good. I need onions and potatoes.
How many onions do you need?
2 kilograms.
And potatoes?
3 kilograms.
All right.
Are these locally grown?
Yes, they come from nearby farms.
That's nice. Vegetables from farms taste better.
Yes, they are fresh and healthy.
Do you also sell fruits?
Yes, fruits are kept near the counter.
I want bananas and apples.
How many bananas?
1 dozen.
And apples?
Half a kilogram. These apples look fresh.
Yes, customers like them a lot.
My parents eat fruits daily.
That's a very good habit.
Do you open the shop every day?
Yes, except Sunday afternoon.
Okay, good to know. What time do you open in the morning?
I open at 8 o'clock.
That's early.
Yes, many customers come in the morning.
Office people must come early.
Yes, they buy things before work.
Running a shop teaches a lot, I think.
Yes, you learn patience and communication.
I am trying to improve my English also.
That's good. Practice daily.
Talking like this helps me.
Yes, daily conversations are best.
Sometimes I feel shy while speaking English.
Don't worry. Confidence comes with practice.
Thank you for encouraging me.
You're welcome.
Please add vegetables and fruits to my bill.
Sure, I will update it.
No hurry.
Your final total is 1,050 rupees.
Okay, I will pay by cash this time.
That's fine.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Please pack everything properly.
Yes, I will pack them carefully.
Thank you for your patience.
It's my duty.
I like shopping here.
We are happy to serve you.
See you soon.
See you. Take care.